Hello folks, let's get started with today's session. Today's session is about developing a bar chart. I'll help you out how to develop a simple bar chart. Just drag region to columns and sales to rows, and you'll be getting a beautiful bar graph over here. You can sort it based on descending order, so you will get to know that west is having the highest sales and south is having the least. You can even display the numbers by dragging the sales to level, and even if you want to check by differentiate based on the color, you can drag the sales to color and you will be able to see west is having the highest sales, so it is marked as dark blue, and south is having the least sales, so it is marked as light blue. You can go ahead and change the color here, the color palette, and use you can take I mainly use red and green, so you can click OK. So it shows the highest highest sales in west and lowest sales in south. So going ahead, there's another way to develop a graph. As I told you, there are 24 graphs over here. If you don't want to drag it everything to columns and rows, just click on region, press Ctrl and click on sales. So you'll be able to see a graph over here. Click on the graph, reverse it and sort in descending order. Here we have the same graph that we saw just now. We can do the same thing over here. Just drag it, just change the color and put it red and green diverging. Okay, it's the same graph that we have developed just now. So you can see the numbers, even if the numbers are also matching. So these are the two ways you can develop a simple bar chart. Next we'll learn in the next session. Thank you.